We will start with 700 grams crab, cleaned and cracked. Now in a pan, we will add water and salt and then put the crabs and let it boil for 10 minutes. Strain the stock and keep aside. We will use the stock for curry. Now take a fresh pan, add oil 1 tablespoon, fry the crabs for a couple of minutes. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee over medium heat. Add 3 cardamom, few cinnamon, star anise, javitri and few cloves. Add finely chopped onion, 1 small tomato, a little salt, saute until they turn brown. Stir in with some small onion paste. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Add few green chilies. It's time to spice up things. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add some stock, mix well and cook for few minutes until the spices are fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Pour some more stock. Gently place the crab into the pan. Stir. Coat the crab pieces with flavorful masala. Check the salt. Let it simmer until the crab is cooked and the masala thickens. Finish by adding ghee and garam masala.